Alright, so that is finally done. And now let's try to get into some immobilizer programming. I'm going to try by, I don't know why it makes me go into the Asia market, but whatever. Let's go into the Asia market. So 2012, this is going to be the keyless go. Start execution. Now, I'm pretty sure it's going to make us pull the pin first. I'm not quite sure. I don't quite remember how the key tool does it. If I have to do it separately or if I can just do it this way. Okay, here it is. Read password. Cannot switch ignition on. This is a push start, but it helps to just tap it to activate it. And there's our pin code 0944. And the nice thing about this, if I remember correctly, it remembered. Oh no, it didn't. And I forgot what the damn thing was. What was it? 0944? That's weird. Usually when I do these, it remembers the pin number, much like the IM does. Okay, so we're gonna have to put it over here. And it wants us to hit the unlock. Sometimes you have to hit over here. It did not work. There it goes. So you just have to find the spot where the the antenna is. Sometimes it's in here. I tell you, generally it's in this area. Yes, this car is very nasty. You have to forgive me. Generally it's in this area. Some of the newer ones you do at the button, and this one, was in this cup holder here. But it's keep moving around, pushing the button until you find it. But I think that's it. Yeah, there she go. Ignition on, run. Buttons are working. Yep. All done. Key tool max. Don't forget your dongle. And job